If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this bottle of Sapphire Bombay into this beautiful, lovely rhinestone embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be embellishing this little bottle, this shorty bottle of Bombay Sapphire. It's a London dry gin. Okay, and I'm going to be trying out a new glue. It's called Okay, so I'm trying out this glue. It's called One Dot Not a Lot. I paid $14.99 for it from Amazon. I put it in this little precision tip bottle, and I'm using some rhinestones, pretty color called Zircon Blue. I really love this color. They're 5mm, and I thought this would match very well. Oh, and you're going to need a wax pickup tool. Now, this bottle of Bombay already has like a teal tint to it, so I felt like this color rhinestone would be very, very pretty on here. So this time I didn't have to whip out my Sharpie because it was already giving the background of the same color of rhinestones that I'm using. I'm going to be using 5mm, and then later on in the video I will go ahead and start to use some 3mm as well, just to fill in some of those little spots that I felt like that were hard to get to, and I didn't want to have too much spacing. So what I like to do is start with the tracing out the label. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of going around the label, getting that part out the way, and then I fill in between there. Now this glue does have like a nice thin consistency. It's not too thick, and as you can see, it does show up like a off-white color. It kind of reminds me of the gem tack, but it's not. That's like completely like milk white. This is more of an off-white, and it does look that way until it dries. I would say it dries in about 48 hours. So you'll definitely see in between your rhinestones that milkiness. But don't worry, if you let it do a full cure and dry, it will dry clear. So I'm just still getting to know this glue. One of my subscribers did recommend this to me, and I did do a video with it. Check that out, the Absolute shorty bottle with the orange rhinestones. So I'm just going around the back label as well, just making sure that I have the rhinestones as tight and close as possible to avoid any gapping or spacing. As far as pricing goes, this glue is a little on the expensive side. It's actually the most expensive glue I've ever purchased, but I'm not complaining because I like the fact that it is non-toxic. I used to use E6000 for years, but I got away from that, but it works very well, and that's $3. I thought Liquid Fusion was expensive. That was like $12 or $13, but this was $15, but so far I think it's still good glue. So find your method and your rhythm of how you're going to add the rhinestones. I'm just kind of going row by row, or you can go up, you can go down, however you like to do it. Just make sure you're trying to keep everything as straight and neat as possible. Now these cute little shorty bottles do make lovely gifts. They really do. They're small, but they're so sparkly and adorable. I think this will be great for any occasion. I'm almost finished, and Again, you can see that glue in between the rhinestones, but again, just trust the process. Give it time to fully dry, and you'll see that it will dry 100% clear. This glue is very strong, and I like the fact that it's non-toxic, so that's a great thing. So just keep in mind that it doesn't take long at all, because look, I'm already almost at the I'm at the very top. I just have like 2 or 3 more stones to add, and this will be complete. Okay, you guys, here is the finished final result, and as you can see, it's not 100% dry. I didn't have time to wait the full 48 hours. I wanted to go ahead and close out my video, but just imagine this with none of the cloudiness in between the rhinestones. I personally really like this because turquoise is one of my favorite colors. It's called Zircon blue, but it's like basically turquoise, and I just really think this is so pretty. And I think this glue is great, but I like liquid fusion a little bit more because I like when the glue just comes out clear. But it's very strong, and it is a nice strong hold. I like the way the bottle is shaped on the one dot, not a lot. I just like the way it feels in my hand. But you guys, I think this is great. This will make a great gift if you want to make some of these for like your bridesmaids gifts. If you want to make a gift basket for someone, or a cute little birthday bottle to give to someone. I think this is great for so many different occasions. And it doesn't take long. This took me probably no more than about 35 to 40 minutes. So I really hope you guys like it. I'm going to show you in the next clip the absolute bottle I did. And that one is 100% clear and dry. So that was my first time using it on the absolute mandarin bottle. Check that video out as well. Let me know which one of these you like the best. Are you more into the orange? Are you more into the teal / turquoise color? What do you think? Just make sure you allow your glue to cure for at least 40 hours so you won't have that cloudy look. Thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it on Facebook. Subscribe if you would like to do so. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.